How to fix? Sorry, we are unable to handle your request at this time in Rockstar Games. First step, open run and type the following text services.msc. Click OK. Scroll down and search for Rockstar Games Library Service. Click it. Right click. Click Properties. The startup type should be in automatic and the service status should be in running mode. If it stopped means you need to click start and make it running. Click apply and OK. One more time right click. Click restart. Close it. Move on with next step. Open run and type the following text percentage local app data percentage. Type it, click OK. Search for Rockstar Games folder. Click it. Click launcher folder and delete it. After deleting, move on with next step. Click settings. Click network and internet settings. Click advanced network settings. Click network reset. Click reset now. Once the reset complete after, move on with next step. Right click Rockstar Games Launcher. Click properties. Click compatibility. Enable run the program as administrator. Click apply and OK. Next step, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Select allow an app. Select change settings. Scroll down and search for Rockstar Games Launcher. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application not having means click allow another app. Click browse. Go to C drive. Program files. Rockstar Games Launcher. You get the application. Add it. Once adding after, make sure it should be enabled in both private and public. Click OK in the bottom side. And the next step, click settings. Click time and language settings. Click date and time. And make sure the set time zone automatically and set time automatically. Both should be in enable mode. Make sure it's important settings. Close it. Restart your device.